What's up guys, it's time to look beyond the Galaxy Note 20 family, and as always the leaks never stop, the grind never stops, and we keep going. As you know, the current drama that is going on with the Exynos 990 that could potentially hurt Galaxy Note 20 sales badly. Because of all this, Samsung has to win with the AMD Exynos chip next year. Samsung is already heavily into gaming. You know the whole thing with the Fortnite back in the days. And now the Note 20 family will be marketed as Xbox gaming smartphones. It's all setting the stage for the next year with a brand new AMD graphics. It's time to let Qualcomm go. We already heard the rumor that Samsung might completely ditch the Snapdragon 875 chip, especially because 875 chip will be getting even more expensive than the 865 of this year. Most importantly, Samsung South Korea team behind the Exynos chip has been super disappointed because they actually use the Snapdragon 865 chip in their own home country. It's been an internal disappointment, so Exynos is not going anywhere. It's time to bring a one big strong worldwide Exynos 5mm M chip. Samsung will be annually ditching its custom cores in favor of proper ARM core implementation, and instead of Melee GPUs they will be bringing AMD in the game. Because Melee GPUs they have a history of being mediocre compared to the GPU from Apple and Qualcomm, which is why AMD has to step up the game. According to recent news, Samsung is reportedly making an Exynos processor for Windows PCs. It is reported that the Exynos 1000BS chipset for Windows laptop could be called as Exynos 1. It will utilize the 5nm process, and most importantly the strong Cortex-X1 CPU core, that was actually recently announced by ARM. In addition to the CPU gains, we could see the AMD GPU in the mix as well. This could be the same chip the Samsung will ultimately use inside the Galaxy S21, we don't know. But what we can see is that next year's Exynos chip could be so strong that even the Windows laptops will utilize this. Honestly, this news is really positive for anyone who is expecting the S21 to be super strong. So not only just phones, we might have laptops and other devices taking advantage of this whole new brand Exynos power. Now a new Galaxy S21 leak has arrived courtesy of Samwell.com. It's revealing the model numbers, so apparently Samsung is looking to make 3 Galaxy S21 models, with SMG 991, G996, and G998 model numbers, with storage options starting from 128 all the way up to 512GB. Now we're not sure about the naming, but we may be looking at Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra. Also in the news, the One UI 2.5 that is actually coming with the Note 20 family is already in the works for the S20 series and the Galaxy Z Flip. It's very quick from Samsung. I mean, One UI 2.5 won't be bringing huge changes because it is based on Android 10, but it's still nice to see that Samsung is already working on these updates. So if you have a Galaxy S20 or Z Flip, you'll definitely gonna see the update really soon. And last, the Galaxy S21 phones along with some Windows laptops could utilize the strong Exynos 1000 chip that is coming next year. With the AMD GPU, I'm super excited. There will be a lot of phones using Qualcomm chipset. We need something special with Samsung flagships. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, smash a thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down twice. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. And I am Arjun, this is Digital Outside. I'll catch you in the next one.